Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn magic. Do you want to learn the magic? Then come with me. Magic is all about the all words. You have to repeat all the words after me. ALL all. And we will see how many words we can make from the word all. ALL all. The first word is ball. See, ALL is all, and if we will write B just before it will become ball. You can see the picture of ball and you will repeat the sentence, this is a ball. Again, this is a ball. BALL, ball. Next word is call. You can see ALL is all, and if we will write C just before it will become call. As you call your mama, as you call your papa, as you call your friends to play. Okay, call. So we will read the sentence, call your dad. CALL, call. See, the next word is fall. ALL is all, and if we will write F just before it will become fall. FALL, fall. Now read the sentence, a girl had a fall. So you should also be very careful while climbing up the stairs, coming down and running. Otherwise, you can also fall. Next word is hall. ALL is all, and if we will write H just before it will become hall. HALL, hall. Hall means it is a very big room. Now we will read the sentence. I saw kids in the hall. You also go with your parents to see the movie. That is also a big hall, big room. When it is a very big room, it is a hall. Next word is wall. ALL is all, and if we will write W just before it will become wall. WALL, wall. Now we will read the sentence. A map is on the wall. You can also hang so many things on the wall at your home. Nowadays you are at home. You can make so many beautiful pictures and hang it on the wall. Next word is mall. Now we are going to learn two magics. See, with the all we can make mall also and we can make small also. So let's see. First we will make a mall. See, ALL is all, and if we will write M just before it will become mall. I'm sure that you people have been there with your Alante mall with your parents. And if we will write a S, there is a mall, MELL mall. If we will write S just before M, then another magic will be there. The word will become small. What will the word become? Small. SMALL, small. Now we will repeat. ALL is all, MALL is mall, and SMALL is small. Now let's read the sentence. This is a mall. You can see a picture of mall. And the next sentence is baby is small. What the sentence is? Baby is small. The next word is that we are going to learn as a magic is tall. A-double-L is all and T-S-T-A-double-L. See, T-A-double-L is tall. We have written just T before all and it becomes tall. So here is a picture of boy. This is a tall boy. What is the sentence? This is a tall boy. Now the another magic word, we will write S as we have written in small also. Just before mall we wrote small. So here just before tall we will write S. It will become stall. We go to the fair, we go to the mall, there are a lot of stalls. And we eat ice cream, we eat corns and we buy so many toys from the stall. So here the tall boy, what the tall boy does? The tall boy, the boy goes to a stall. Where the boy goes? The boy goes to a stall. Now we will repeat our magic words. A-double-L is all and the magic is we have to write T. It will become tall. T-A-double-L, tall. And we will write S just before tall and it will become S-T-A-double-L, stall. Now see, we have a bank. Papa is also having a bank. Papa keeps money there and children are having bank. They keep words in it. In our bank, now there are just see, we have 10 words which we have learned with the magic. We will repeat all the words here from the bank. First, number 1 is all. Number 2 is ball. Number 3 is call. Number 4 is fall. Number 5 is hall. Number 6 is wall. Number 7 is tall. Number 8 is stall. Number 9 is mall. And number 10 is small. So we have become very rich with 10 all words in our bank. Thank you children. Have a nice day and keep repeating all the words from your bank. Bye-bye.